I'm just at the Bellagio. I'm just outside it, just about to go in. And this is one of the most famous hotels in Vegas. Yes, featured in the film, heavily featured in the film Ocean's 11, the George Clooney version. And look at this, wow. It's so nice. Valentino Cartier straight away. This is the place you need money to come and stay. I don't know how much this costs, but let's see. Gallery of Fine Art, Bellagio shops. I'm going to take a look down here and see what this is all about. I don't know, but look at that kind of entrance, all the flowers and stuff. Wow. I'm so glad I came down here to see this. I think it's some sort of restaurant or something. I don't know. It's a bit bizarre looking. Oh, right, I've seen this. I think it's like a kind of garden type thing. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. I'm so glad I came here. Look at this. This is something out of fantasy.
Beautiful. They are so getting married.
Oh, and okay. It's really cool. In the background, they're playing David Bowie as the world turns round. I think it's called. It's from the film Labyrinth, and it's very fitting for this kind of setting that they're playing that song. If you haven't seen Labyrinth, it's well worth a watch. It's a childhood favourite. David Bowie's such an underrated actor, I think he does quite well in some of his films. It was good in The Prestige. He played Nikola Tesla in it. Really, really good. Anyway, I'll show you a bit more. Look at this.
Look at that big.
It's just lovely. Oh, this has got to be seen to be believed. I'm going to need to come back here and take some photos for Jacqueline. There's a wee frog. I made the right call coming here. It's really, really nice. And I suppose that's a good intro to the video. I'll just show you the rest. There's the Rolex place. Here's a question for you. How do you tell the difference between a real Rolex and a fake Rolex? Now, I know how, and I will tell you at the end of the video. So, let's see, and I'll show you some more. There's Omega, Rolex's rival. I'm not sure where Omega's based from. I don't know if that's... I don't think it would be Switzerland, surely. So that's my Rolex, I think. I could be wrong. I could be talking nonsense. But hang on, I'll just turn around here and another wee kind of view. Let's see what's down here. I've not been in here before, so I'm just finding things as I go. Oh, they've got the Christmas decorations. I think it's shut. If you're watching, Jacqueline, I was going to buy you some Christmas gifts, but it's shut, honestly. Everybody doesn't know, Jacqueline's my wife. She's sitting at home, missing me, sure, I'm sure. Let's see, there's a kind of wee seating area. I don't know what's down here. I'm guessing it's going to lead to a dead end because well, there's something there. It's like in a restaurant and bar, I think. Everybody seems to be going this way. I know I says it, but it has to be said, this is just a lovely, lovely hotel. I'd love to take Jacqueline here to stay. Let's see. Right, I'm going to guess there's not really much up there. That's a convention centre. So I'll go back down and I'll walk a wee bit fast. Get through this. Look at this. Oh wow. I'm willing to guess that not a single item in that shop will have a sticker price on it. Probably cost a fortune. Not a price there. This must be one of the most expensive hotels in the strip. You could just tell it's a lovely hotel. It really is. I've got to show it again. I've got to show it again. Look, whoa. Look how nice that is. If you're watching this, Jacqueline, look how lovely that is. If only you could see it. I'll show you it one day. Right, we're back in the shopping thing, but I see a casino. There's a casinos there. I see slot machines over there. So, let's see. Surely that's not all the shops. Take a walk over here. Now, I don't like filming in casinos. I say this in any video where I've got to walk along a casino. I say this. Has anybody figured out how you spot a fake Rolex yet? If I forget to say, I will put it in the comment section and I'll pin it. I'll just show quickly. There's a casino. Now, when I was coming down here, I thought I've got to have a wee gamble in the Bellagio. So last night I thought this is the night I'll have a good gamble on the slot machines. So when I realised I had time to come down here, I thought I've got to do a bet in the Bellagio for the slot machines. I tried a couple of the tables. Not much luck, but maybe I'll do a wee video talking about that.
And my birthday. I think about 2
Promenade shops. Well, I'll just go down here and I'll just show you. There's a gallery of fine art. I think it's down this way. Let's see. We're all here once. I'll take a wee walk down here and we'll see. If anyone's ever been to Vegas, let me know in the comments what your favourite hotel is. It'd be interesting to see what ones people like the most. For me, I like this. This is really nice. It's not gimmicky. It's just nice. I don't know if that wee garden thing's gimmicky, but I don't know. But compared to some of the other hotels in the strip, no, I wouldn't really say it was gimmicky. Nothing wrong with a bit of gimmicky, but you know, let's see. There's Dolce & Gabbana. If you like expensive designer shops, if you check out my channel or type in my name and Gstaad, Switzerland, that's a really expensive place. It's quite late tonight, so actually I just realised the gallery might be shut. I don't think it's worth going down there. There's wee kind of suits. What's this? Platino. I've never heard of that one. What's this shop? Capri. Aye, so I'll go down here and we'll see what's what. Aye, I'm definitely a convert. I really like. I love Las Vegas. It's so nice. I can't believe I actually got the opportunity to visit it. Never thought I would do it in my life. Before I go to America, like 11 hours on a flight, not including the flight from Glasgow to London. It's crazy that I've done it, but it was definitely worth it. I'll just see what's down here, and then I'll wait a minute. Let's see. I saw something up here. Oh, I think it's a buffet. Aye, it's a buffet. Let's see what a Vegas buffet is like. I think it's the first one I've seen. Probably shut now, but aye, it'll be shut. Taste the Far East seafood market. I would have liked that. I like trying different things. Life's about experiences, and you've got to try things. And regrettably, for a long time I didn't travel anywhere. Probably a minute, there's a Cirque du Soleil shop. It's really busy, there's a lot of people here. Bad time to come down here. I'm going to go down this way. I'll go through the casino. Jump in, lots of loud music. It's probably a distraction, get you in the party mood, spend all your money. Oh, get in the party mood, drink a load, and then spend all your money. So, see. Anyway, it's getting a bit loud actually. I'm going to end the video here. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, it would really help me out. And leave a wee comment. This is the Bellagio and I'm away. Thank you very much. Bye bye.